Hello everyone, my name is Dharmendra Pandey and I am Faculty of Marketing at Amity Business School, Lucknow campus. In this session, we are going to discuss some fundamentals of search engine marketing. In this session, the objectives are life cycle of a campaign, top competitors in digital age, search engine optimization. So let's start with the first topic, that is life cycle of a campaign. Life cycle of a campaign process in 5 steps. Step number 1, setup and strategy. The usual duration of this setup is 0 to 3 months. In this step, companies assess touch points that build online environment to establish baseline setup, digital media infrastructure, establish listing on search engines, gain followers, initiate relationship, develop content strategy, assess digital footprint, increase number of member interactions, and other strategies. Second step, implementation and traction. Usually it happens in 4 to 9 months duration. In this step, companies and agencies, they transform touch points to a conversion points, conversation points. They gain traction on social media sites, integrate mobile and social media, gain responses to call to action, to gain new sales or members gain, and other strategies. Third step is conversion, also known as positioning step. It usually lasts from 10 to 15 months. In this step, the companies focus on conversion point, gain positions on search engines, gain thought leadership interactions, gain new sales revenue, and develop brand loyalty. Expansion stage continues for 16 to 27 months. In this step, companies try to stabilize position on search engines, establish some recognition as a thought leader, to gain brand power, etc. Fourth step after that is expand viral growth. Viral growth, in this stage, companies try to expand networks exponentially through their fan or follower networks and through social communities. So these 5 steps are a life cycle of any digital campaign. Let's have a look at the top competitors in digital space, as well as some revenue models and business models. Categorically, all the companies in digital online space, especially in digital advertising space, work either on advertiser's side or on publisher's side. Companies like WPP, LBI, DoubleClicks by Google, MediaMind, these companies offer products on advertiser side. There we have media buying platforms like MIG, Vivaki, Cadron. Then we have ad exchange networks like Right Media, AdDesk, OpenX. Then we have ad networks horizontally and vertically. We have target audience based softwares and solutions. We have publisher tools like Shortfall and other companies. We have ad servers like AdTech and OpenX. So to serve the ads to the audience in the back end, these different types of companies fighting each other in every domain. So this was all in online ad space. Now let's have a look at very important topic, that is search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is a process of enhancing the visibility of the website by improving the ranking in search engine results page. In another word, we can say all the techniques you use to make your web presence at the top of the search engines. The prime aim of any SEO exercise for marketer is to help generate awareness for its brand or website by gaining attention through content relevance and keyword prominence rather than paying off for it through SEM campaigns. If you see, there are 6 steps in SEO phases. The first step is website audit. Audit we do for any website is to do a reality check so that we should know where we stand. The main steps we take in our website auditing is to understand keyword position, to explore the sitemap, browser and operating system compatibility, devices compatibility, domain authority, and the speed auditing. Content. In this step, we analyze your content should be unique, fresh, original, and the content should add value to the target audience. Search engine always prefer original, fresh, and unique content. Third and fourth step are very extremely important: on-page optimization and off-page optimization technique. So I'm going to discuss in next 2 slides what do we mean by on-page and off-page optimization tools. On-page optimization is a technique where you evaluate your site performance. So we consider following factors to do on-page optimization. The first is the site performance, how your website is performing, how your HTML tags are placed, how your anchor tags are placed, how your heading tags are placed, place of meta tags, domain name memorability. These are few things we consider and evaluate in site performance. Second is keywords. The keyword stuffing, keyword placement, the keyword relevancy, we evaluate these things. RSS feeds. RSS feeds is the acronym for really simple syndication. It's an XML code that contains recent information update, where it is being placed. Microsites. Microsites are auxiliary websites which are usually about a product or service that provide a separate entity for a brand. They have their own domains, but some exist as a subdomain. Site structure. Site structure helps us in understanding how the website is set up and how individual subpages are hyperlinked. Crawlers should be able to find them quickly. A landing page should refer to all important subpages. Off-page optimization. Off-page optimization includes activities done outside of the web page that help in its ranking. The search engines introduced off-page optimization to avoid certain abusive practices in search engines, to avoid things like keyword stuffing and other things. Off-page optimization gives a fair idea of how other websites perceive a particular website for which ranking need to be evaluated. Some of the popular tools are Authority and Hubs. Authority is a website that is linked to by many websites, and a hub is a website that links to many websites. Backlink is a process of getting hyperlinks not owned by your brand from external pages that are to link to a web page of their website. The main importance of backlinks is they help in building the authority of the website. Source diversity and source independence of the backlinks plays an important role in off-page optimization. Other tools like blog post and commenting, they provide off-page optimization. Press releases, directories, and classifieds are some other tools. So, what we have learned in this module, students and executives will find it useful to use all these tools for their own web presence optimizations. Thank you very much.